Om Sai Ram to all my beautiful, blessed Baba lovers out there. Thank you all for praying for me. Last week, my throat is much better now. Though little bit on and off, it is there, but it is much better. And my pet is also fine. Things are going good by the grace and blessings of Baba. So today, I would like to share one small incident. Last week, I had shared this Baba's video, and suddenly someone, I would not want to discuss the name, they messaged me, and I had been in touch with them years back, and then in between the touch just went off because she was busy with her life and I was also busy getting along in my life. So she messages me, and she is also, I must say, she's a very ardent Baba follower. And then she tells me that Pinky, I saw your video. You gave Udi to the child because the child went and stood there. Why is it that you didn't take the Udi? Why is it that you didn't think that you should also drink the same Udi? So I was for a minute shocked, because I always tell everyone Baba's Udi is magical, Baba's Udi is powerful, this and that. And at that moment of time, I said, yes, it is there. And then I told her, thank you. And then immediately I had Udi with water. The next day also, I think it was a Friday I had, but it was not getting fine. And she again messages me on Saturday saying, are you fine? I said, no, my throat is in fact become bad. So she said, oh, how come? Then I said, I don't know, because in fact I still remember Monday, Tuesday I started panicking that my throat was becoming more badder, because I was having Udi every day. From Saturday it became to Sunday, Sunday it became to Monday, and the thing was not going. And then I was like, what shall I do now? And why is it that Baba is testing me? And why is it that it's just not happening? So I just sit and I read the Sai Satcharitra, and then I sit in front of Baba, and for a minute I just felt that, Pinky, you had the Udi because someone asked you to have it. What about your faith in Baba? What about your dedication, Baba? And then I told Baba, I said, Baba, if I didn't have the faith, I would not have had it. I would never do something because someone is asking me to do. I would only do it when I feel I am guided to do, or I feel that yes, Baba has asked me to do this. So immediately I touch Baba's feet, and then I keep it in my throat. And then actually one of my friend had also said to pick up some medicine, and I was not getting that medicine also anywhere. It was very weird. I was not getting the medicine also, and I was, I think it was a Saturday when I told her that I need to get the medicine picked. So medicine was also not coming. And then I just touched his feet, and then I kept it in my throat. And suddenly at home, I felt I should take some pepper and keep it in front of him, and I should just crush it with Udi and have it with the water. So I do that. Next day morning my throat becomes 50% better, and then slowly it is becoming better now. So I told Baba, I said, Baba, thank you for again and again punishing me for not having the for just not having the right determination, that when Baba is there, why do I need to worry? When Baba is there, why should I have the fear? And when Baba is there, why should I even break my head over all these silly things, that what if my throat goes, what will happen to me and all that. So that's how Baba sometimes teaches me my own lessons. So let's see what he has what he has in the mind for you all. I just picked the card by mistake. Yes, discovery. The world is your home. Be happy wherever you are. This I always tell people, that don't go behind materialistic life. Don't run behind it. I know material is important. I know luxuries are important. Even I live a luxurious life, so I don't have the rights to say that luxury is not important. But sometimes we need to be happy with what we have, so that we get more and more in return. But let's see what the other card also says. Gift. Baba grants wishes, pray to him. So if there is some luxury, Baba is again saying, I know Baba has said don't go behind materialistic, but Baba says he will give you the right gifts, he will give you the right things. But today somewhere when I'm seeing this, I feel Baba is ready to give you the gift or grant you the wish that you want. But for that, he wants you to do something. He wants you to sit in front of him, burn a lamp, and read Sai Satcharitra, any verse from Sai Satcharitra. If you don't have the Sai Satcharitra book, just go online, Google, you will get the Sai Satcharitra book. Just open a random page and read to him. Burn his diya, keep some sweet or keep some even sugar. Baba is happy even with sugar. Keep some sugar if possible. Keep some laddu or keep some peda. Peda is something I would suggest to keep. So keep some peda or some laddu, and then you have it. Give it to your family members. Give it also to your maids who work with you. Give it to your neighbors. Give it to everyone, and spread the gift of joy and happiness and sweet, so that the sweetness comes in your life. So I hope you all do this, and I hope you all, you know, be blessed with Baba, by Baba, and Baba gives you the gift or grants the wish that you desire. Om Sai Ram.